Hey, welcome back. Back again on another ride. We are at the Ben Franklin Range in Pennsylvania on one of their ride days. It's going to be myself, Nick, and Ben. Should be here with the Jeep. Try to take that around a little bit, see how it does. We were here a couple months ago on the last ride, but it was like a frozen tundra, so we didn't get much video done because there wasn't much places that we could actually get to because of all the ice. So we'll try to get some videos made today and see what kind of trails that we can hit. So see you out there. Hey, and if you clicked on the video, just click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to the first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help us out, we'd appreciate it. And we'll get some hopefully some good content out there. All right, Ben didn't make it. We're all unloaded. Gonna hop in the machines and go hit the trails. Not too bad of a crowd here today. A lot of Jeeps, so that'll be interesting to watch them, see what they do. So we're gonna head out, see what we can get into. Solo. Nick. Go, you're alright, it's fine. Huh? Just go right over it.
Go right over it?
You're good. You're good. I told him to go right over it.
It turns so much better.
How's it feel?
Good so far. It really has a hiccup with anything.
Yeah. Said he bought the Bronco, I think he said a month ago. I'll go back. I think it's just your rock. You're good. That's just your skid plate.
Oh yeah, I know.
You got everything disconnected, like the sway bar and all that shit? Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, we're rolling.
What's that?
What do you say?
Skipping the skid plate.
Skid plate? Skid plate. What you came here to do.
Alright, got them both down. Gonna move on. Bronco and Ben with us. We'll try to find a way to get out of this creek bottom. It's either mud or up the hill, so we'll see.
There's a hole over there, but we might be okay getting through it. We'll be fine. I just don't know about I think Ben will be okay. I don't know about the Bronco though.
Alright, we're in this, I guess, creek bed. It's pretty muddy. We're trying to get the Bronco and Ben through it. See how they do. Go. That's hard bottom together.
Oh, is it? Okay. That wasn't bad. Yeah, your front bumper almost disappeared.
Did it?
Oh yeah.
I hope they can make that next.
Yeah, I was just worried about
it. I was like,
we might be way too low over this next part though, and it goes down into a hole and comes back up. So
it really, we went down those hills, no problem, and then they brought us down to the weird stuff.
yeah, no problem.
Alright, I guess we're going to try to make our way back to the truck. nothing's broke yet.
Hey, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I'm surprised you're making it through there with the fucking tires.
I need a height. I was
Hey,
height that I was.
height is good. Yeah.
You know why?
Because when I first got that Ranger, the shitty tires I had on that beginning,
Yeah, these tires.
everyone you guys had.
Oh yeah.
The tires Ben have on these. What are they? 35s?
34.
They're 34 and a half or so, but they're kind of bald. But they're doing it, so we'll keep on going. He's got the height, so.
Yeah, so far it is. Yeah.
All right, we're at the Can-Am Crew Crawl. I'm gonna give it a try, see how it goes. Looks pretty nasty, so we'll see. Got it.
Okay. All right.
Right up.
I mean,
You're good where you're at, I think. You're good where you're at.
huh?
You're good where you're at.
So your back tire is gonna hit this first. There's nothing. Your back light's gonna hit nothing. So you might tip this way a little bit.
He's hitting the
Yeah, your back
Control arm back
left
there.
is hitting.
control arm on the driver's side's hitting.
Back up. Control arm. Yeah, come back this way. Hold on. Yeah, your trailing arm back there is hitting. What if I hook this way? Am I good to back up? Yeah, back straight. Yep.
I think he needs to go that way. Right tire up that rock there.
Oh yeah. Try to ride. Try to go up that.
Am I gonna be too tipsy? No, you'll be alright. Go on the top one? Once you get up on that one, then cut over. You'll be alright. Go slow. You're low, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Straight
Oh, yeah.
forward. Now left. There you go.
Yep.
Straight up. Good.
Hey, his tire's gonna drop here.
Yeah, you give it a bump or
He's fine. You're gonna be.
left a little bit to get the tire past this one.
Left. Try and crawl a little bit. Yeah, back up just a touch.
Yep.
Go ahead. Wait, a little bit more. Now drive. Now go forward. Slow.
You're pinched on the in the.
Tire will pop up on. Okay, reposition. Good now. Back straight up.
Ooh!
That was your control arm, lower control arm.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. That one climbing?
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's hitting his lower control arm on this side.
You gotta back up and go, come bring it over this way a little bit more again. But don't lose this tire. Go back. Go back here. Right to the camera. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Now drive her hard. Easy. Nice and easy. Go ahead. You're good. You're good. Go ahead. Easy, easy, easy. Let me know when that's climbing.
And keep sliding. Oh, there you go.
It's actually pretty decent.
Oh, there's turn driver. Try to crawl it up. Ooh, stinky.
Want to bump it.
If I go the right way, I'll give it one more bump.
I think I give it
Okay.
one more try. Try it again. Stop right there.
Something just popped.
Hard passenger.
He can't.
No room.
Yeah, he's up against the rock.
Up on that rock or no? Yeah. Yeah, you're on it.
Try to crawl it up and
Jeremy, get him up.
Jeremy! Slightly passenger. Yeah, turn passenger a little bit more. As you're spinning, turn passenger.
Back up for all 2 inches. Good.
Now turn passenger. Yep, now spin them. You're stuck. You're stuck on your trailing. Hey, Jeremy, you're stuck on your trailing arm on your mud flap thing. It's sitting right on that.
Right there.
You need to pull them fucking things off. Rip it.
Try driving
Huh?
to the bank. See if it'll
I know.
There we go! Yeah, baby!
That's just half the way now. That's just halfway now.
My son's try driving to the bank. See if it'll climb.
can.
Yeah.
Turn this way.
Yeah. We got you.
Hold on.
Back up.
Hey, Jeremy.
Just a little bit like you are. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna have him go that way?
Turn that way a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. Get it real slow. Let him climb. Now you got it. Now you're gonna have to go wherever he tells you. So we're going straight? I think so.
Come. You have to back up and reposition. He's fucking sending.
Easy on the skinny pedal, Jenny.
Jeremy, yes, turn hard, Jeremy, hard, left, right. Hey, if you get a bump, remember to keep your thumbs out of the steering wheel. A little bit passenger, like that. Yeah, you get the problem with this rock too, this back tire. Gotta climb. Yeah, that's tires. Yeah. You might not be able to go very far.
Yeah, I agree. That looks good. Yeah, that actually looks real good. As soon as you feel the right front start to climb, you're gonna have to bump it. Not yet.
Right there. That looks pretty good right there. Straight.
Send it from there.
Suck them down in that hole.
I'm done. I think so.
Come on, hey, you didn't break anything yet.
What?
You didn't break anything yet.
I tried. I think. Yeah, it's
All right, made it up. I made it up the Canyon Crawl. Awesome trail. Had Bert from B&B Trail Comms helping out spot. I appreciate him. Nick tried it, but I think with his wheelbase, he didn't make it all the way up. He needs the old stickies. Shut up. I made it. He didn't. 9 inches more wheelbase. Go, yeah. You're good. Keep going. What are you stopping for?
I feel like I'm blowing up. No, you're good.
You're good. All right. That's what I was afraid was going to happen. There you go. There you go. Now you're a lot better.
How far can I come back?
You can go back. I'd try to bump it from there.
Break the wheel out.
Make sure it's hard.
No, that way. Okay, okay.
You're not at a very big angle.
Good. You're not going to go backwards.
No, you're good.
Oh yeah, baby. Did you get it?
I think so. I was more watching you than the thing.
You had to stay out of that mud. I had to keep you out of that mud.
Yeah, that was a good spot in there. Holy shit. Here. No.
Great, hit it.
It's kicking him left a lot. Keep doing that. Keep doing that.
Hey, hey, stop.
Now,
Passenger. Now bump it. Yeah, there you go. Keep going.
come up.
on. What?
Come up.
Boy.
Now you're in the spot I think I was. Oh, shit. Damn, that.
I'm done.
Dude, that happened.
That's cool.
You hit it hard.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna call that a video. Call it a day at Ben Franklin Range. Another awesome ride here. First time bringing out the Jeep. Did pretty good. Just probably need some better tires. Nick's second ride on the Turbo R. Tried a couple of hard trails, but didn't want to break anything. I finally made the Can-Am crew crawl and then the Waterfall hill climb I made today. So excited for that. So if you watched the video, hit that subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber goal. And we'll get some more videos out there for you to watch. So see you on the next one.